Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little something special to Betty White, and that is going to be side skirts along with a front lip that I have not opened yet. So right now what I'm doing, got the car jacked up and we're going to be putting the side skirts on, and then I'm moving on to the front lip. And then I also have a roof wrap to install. I don't know if it's going to be a very good wrap or if it's not going to be a very good wrap. Probably not, because I kind of suck at that kind of stuff. But here we are with some side skirts and a front lip. Let's get to it. All right, so first things first, get your handy dandy drill out and then get your side skirt. From what I've seen, I think I'm going to run the edge right here to that edge. So there'll be about a little, give or take, 1 to 4 inch lip coming off the side. So that might look good, that might look terrible. I don't know, so let's try it. All right, so there is one side on. Widens it up just a little bit, but you know, I really don't know how I think about these. They're gonna have to probably grow on me. Plus, I'm gonna have to add the lip next. I have a feeling that's what's really gonna really throw the car off. So hopefully when I put that lip on, it'll just kind of all come together, you know? All right, I did just get these things complete. They don't look bad when the car is actually lowered on the ground. And then with that front lip, like I said, it's gonna look super, super good. But here's a little sneak peek at the car. Looks a lot better with those. They're equal length on both sides. Made sure I put them as symmetrical as I possibly could. But yeah, that does not look bad at all. I can't wait to put that front lip on. So here we go. Alrighty, so I finally got everything on, and it doesn't look too bad. It's gonna look better in the sunlight just because it's nighttime right now. I've only got these shop lights for now. But no, like, it doesn't look bad. I knew it was going to grow on me, or going to need to grow on me, but here it is. So it's not too bad. I got that front splitter on as well as those side skirts. And you can't really tell on camera, but it does look a little bit better. It's gonna need something. I don't know what it's gonna need, but I'll get something for it. It's gonna make it pop even more. I know I do still have wheels that I need to put on. I still need to get 2 more, so I still need the rears. I only got the fronts, so that kind of put a stop in what I'm doing. Another thing is, I have these 295s right here. I was gonna put on those rear wheels when they came in, but the sidewall's too small. I only ordered a 295/30. I need 295/40 or 45, I believe. I know some people do run the 35, but still that's a little too small of a sidewall for me. So went out, found these on eBay, and this is a 275/40. So that'll look a lot better on the rear end of this car with those wheels. And also these are 17-inch wheels. I'm going to be moving to 18-inch. So it's gonna fill out a little bit more. I think the car is going to look really, really good. And also another thing that I did forget to add, these were from Magic Drift, link in the description. So cop yourself a set. They make them for all kinds of stuff. So these ran me, just for the side skirts and the front lip, that ran me around 220 or so. So makes the car look a little better on a budget. So go ahead and check them out. They are awesome. Super easy to install. Like, I had this installed in maybe 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, definitely check them out and stay tuned on this channel to see this car come alive. Thanks for watching. Come back for another Gibby Gets It video. For now, take her easy.